How to keep passive income and build financial freedom. Passive income is one of the best ways to gain financial freedom and take control of your time. In this video, I'm going to share 3 steps on how to create passive income and build financial freedom. Number 1, first, start small and strategic. So identify income streams that don't require constant work, like rental properties maybe, dividend-paying stocks, or digital products such as ebooks or courses. The key is to start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose something manageable, learn the process, and improve your approach as you go. Number 2, automate and outsource. The key to passive income is letting your systems do the work. Automate repetitive and mundane tasks, use tools like payment processors or email marketing or CRMs or whatever, and delegate responsibilities to others, team members, VAs, project-based VAs, when you can. Outsourcing is key to freeing up your time. The more you streamline and automate, the closer you get to financial freedom. Third, think long-term. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires upfront effort, upfront time, and patience. And stay consistent and reinvest your profits. Focus on scaling what works best. Don't get discouraged if results aren't immediate. Focus on steady progress and celebrate small wins, small milestones. Because over time, you'll build a reliable system that supports your financial goals while giving you more freedom in your daily life. I've helped clients build passive income streams that align their lifestyle and their goals. And if you're ready to get started, comment the word passive below and I'll send you a free guide to help you take the first step. And remember to like and subscribe, follow for more tips on creating financial freedom, taking your business to a whole new level. Here's to wild success.